Why is there hearts on the walls? Wait, why is there like candles and stuff? Wait, Jeff, what are you doing at daycare at nighttime, man? I thought you were off work. Why is there a fancy dinner with all this fancy stuff here? Jeffina, Jeff, I'm here for our date. What? Darling. Are you going out with Jeff the Moose? Yes. I hear you. Yes. You guys continue. Does he always do that? Is that like a thing that he does all the time? I don't know. He does this all the time. So hot.
I've heard people say that.
Cyclone! Cyclone, where the heck are you, bro? Cyclone, what are you doing? Cyclone, I was running from my apartment. What are you doing with that? What is that? Cyclone, get out of it. Cyclone, stop.
Help me.
How did you even get in my car? Where did you even get that from? What the heck, man?
Stop questioning.
No.
Let it go.
Okay. All right, so come on, buddy. Yo, we're gonna go to daycare, man. Jeff's gonna be super mad at us, and he's gonna give us attention. I don't want attention. Wait.
He's gonna be mad at us, dude.
Something cooking up.
Why are you wearing moose milk armor, dude? Are you good?
Huh?
Moose milk armor?
What?
Why? It's like me doing this. It's moose milk armor, dude.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about, man. You're crazy, bro. All right, so let's see what we got in daycare. And by the way, yo, I just got this crazy message from somebody, bro. Yo, someone texted me, man. They're loving daycare, bro. Someone texted me they're loving daycare. It's from my YouTube channel, okay, broski? Dude, so everyone that watches these videos, man, subscribe. All right, so let's see what daycare's got today. Jeff?
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 Why is there stuff here? What's going on? This is portal to the end. And this isn't the... Oh, Jeff! Ow!
Hey! Jeff, what the heck are you doing, man? Jeff, chill! Jeff, stop with the poison, man! Stop with it, Jeff! Jeff, relax. Jeff, here, take a clown. Take a clown. Eat the clown. There you go. No, Jeff, stop.
Jeff, stop. What is this, dude? Why does this portal to
Where's everybody at?
This is the nether.
Portal to the end. It's the nether. It's the nether. I'm not gonna question it. I'm gonna let him do this all
There's
thing.
no dragon.
Hey, Jay, you rescuers. You are late! Late for what? What are you talking about? Okay, just go through this. No, I can't. Dragon alert! Where's everybody at? Where's Big Booze and Katie and Lizzie? You missed the field trip. And Sly and what do you mean field trip? You didn't tell us there was a field trip, bro. What the heck, man?
What do you mean field trip?
Yeah.
Wait, is everyone trapped in there?
Psycho, stay still. You have an arrow in your hand. Here we go.
Dude, help me.
Yeah! It's I threw everyone in the portal. Jeff, I don't think it's considered field trip. That's considered trapping somebody. But
Jeff,
okay.
You going crazy, dude?
All right, buddy. So, Jeff, what are you doing?
Moose, I think he's going crazy.
Jump! Jump for what?
Ow! Okay.
What is he talking about? Okay, Jeff. So what do we do today, man? Since we missed the field trip, what do we do, man? We're just gonna sit here all lame and stuff, huh?
What does he mean? He threw everyone in there.
I think he threw them in the nether, so you can get rid of them. I interrupted his date last time, bro, and he got super mad at me. He was dating this girl, dude. I can throw you in the airport also. No, Jeff, that will not be necessary at all. Run!
No, Moose, I'm way ahead of you, dude.
Come on, hurry, run.
Follow me. I know a shortcut. Okay, wait.
No! Jeff, your mullet makes your eyes stand out. Does that help? Huh?
Escape, dude. I know a secret. Just follow me.
Wait! Better idea.
What do you mean?
Better idea? Did you hear Moose Book? I heard Moose Book. What?
Moose, don't go for it. Moose is a trap. Don't go for it.
I throw Cyclone in the portal and we play hide and seek.
That's Jeff.
Jeff, let me just talk to my friend Cyclone in person while you wait here. Cyclone, where are you at, by the way?
The portal, dude.
Let me just talk to my my assistant, okay?
Alright, Moose. Run.
I'm gonna tell you to run. Let's go.
Run. Get through the window. There's a door. There's a door.
Let's go. Woo!
We take the door.
Where we going? Are we going to the city, bro? Yo, I can't be in the city. I'm gonna get lost, bro. I gotta sneeze. I gotta really sneeze, but I can't sneeze.
We gotta get back then. We'll make an entire run. Run around.
Let's go. Come on, run.
Okay.
Where are we going?
What are we gonna do? We gotta run around. But what's the plan, dude?
I don't know, man. We're playing hide and seek. It seems like. What are you trying to kill us? I don't know. What do we do? Oh, a chest.
Nothing. There's nothing.
Did we lose him
already?
already?
Okay, dude. Since Jeff wants to come first, okay, what we're gonna do is we'll keep an eye on him.
Do that little whoop-de-whoop. Yo, that whoop-de-whoop. He's not gonna see us coming.
Oh, he's doing the whoop-de-whoop and power. Oh, be careful, Moose. Be careful. Be very, very sneaky, dude. Have you got your sneaky shoes on right now? You gotta put on your sneaky shoes. Oh, he doesn't see us. We're too small. He doesn't. Oh no, he's seeing us. He's.
Ah, no! Jeff, chill! Jeff, chill! No, Jeff, chill out, buddy!
No,
You win! No, I'm not it!
no.
Okay, fine. Wait, who's it?
You're it. Who's
You're
it?
it.
Jeff,
You're
which one? Why are you wearing the moose milk armor too? Wait, we're both it. Okay.
Wait, what? We're both it? How does that work? Who do we tag? Huh?
We tagged Jeff, I think. Jeff,
Let's tag Jeff! You're it, Jeff! Yay!
Jeff,
Run! Nope.
Outside.
Not yet, you noobs. Okay, fine.
What do you mean not yet?
I don't know. I think he's trying to play hide and seek with us instead of killing us.
Is Jeff making up the? He's
It's
making up the
good
game as we
counting.
go.
Wow, Jeff can actually think for once. That's crazy,
Okay,
right?
okay. I'll say 1, you say 2.
Work
I'll say
together.
3, okay?
Nope.
I say the odds, you say the evens, okay, Moose? Count,
Okay,
keep
1.
down. 2. Wait, no, I'm saying the odds. Wait, 1.
5.
No, Moose, you say 2.
I don't know how to count, bro. 5.
4.
7.
Moose!
Fine. 3.
2.
1.
Okay, Jeff, we're coming.
Let's go! Yeah!
We gotta get Jeff.
Where'd he go?
Whereabouts did he go?
What?
What did he?
Where'd he go?
What? Jeff?
Oh, bro, this is gonna be impossible.
Dude, let's
Cafe.
split up, okay?
Big
We'll be able to
cafe.
find him.
I have
We'll be
moose
able to
milk.
find him if we split up, trust me, okay?
Big Hefe's hiding somewhere that we don't know about.
Jeff?
Big Hefe!
Hello?
Where are you?
Hello, Mr. Jeff Arena. Jeff the ballerina.
Where'd he go?
What if we
There's an
insult him?
detention
Would
center
he
here.
then get angry and say stuff, dude? What if
Jeff,
we
you
insult
smell
him?
like a potato!
Jeff, your girlfriend looks like a sack of potatoes.
Oh!
Okay,
That was too far.
savage. I'm
That was
sorry.
savage, bro. Dude,
Jeff,
that
your
was straight
girlfriend
savage.
Looks like you if you had fake hair, dude.
Oh,
Oh, I went there. And
Jack, you're
ugly
it,
as
Jeff!
dude.
Yay!
You got a Moose?
I got him, broski. Okay,
Dude,
Jeff, now you
we
gotta
have to
count.
Okay, Moose, meet outside. Meet on the front. Okay, Jeff, count down from 5, okay?
Count down from. Hey, what you looking at? Hey, Jeff, he's looking at us. He's looking at us. He's looking at us.
I have an idea. Moose. Wait for me to get. Wait for me. Wait a little bit bigger. Okay, Moose, get in. Moose, get in,
What?
Moose.
Are you crazy, bro?
Trust me. Oh, Jeff, you have to recount. No, Jeff, you have to recount. This doesn't count, Jeff. This doesn't count. I'm not it. No, Jeff, not the lava. Not the lava. Jeff, not the lava.
What the heck is going on over there? Oh, snap, it's locked.
Okay, Jeff, since that definitely didn't count, okay, you have to recount
still
down
hiding.
this time from
You're not
15.
gonna find
Go
me.
inside and close
Yes.
your eyes, okay?
Play.
No, Jeff, go.
I have an
go,
idea.
go.
I should communicate with them with my special.
Oh, no! Okay, Moose.
Hello?
Okay, yeah. Stop.
Hello?
Okay, I'm gonna go and re-hide.
Can I get
Okay, that's very loud. Moose! Okay, listen, cause I
am like
oh,
Spider-Man.
wow.
They can't see me.
Wait, why didn't you get a job, Jeff?
Get a job. I do have a job. It's called MooseCraft. I got 3. Low-key, it does.
Okay. Jeff, if you can come and find me now, dude, you win. But you won't be able to find me, okay, Jeff? Moose, come outside the front of the building and see if you can find me, dude.
Oh, okay. Do you like
If
this
you can
lounge up
find
here,
me-
man? It's so nice up here, dude.
Oh, I just saw Jeff walk right past. Moose. Jeff, you can't break stuff. No, Jeff, why are you in creative mode, dude?
I think he knows where you're at, dude.
Oh.
He's got no idea where I'm at. I'm just kind of crouching right now. It's pretty dope, dude. Babies on roofs. Coming to Zimmer. I don't think he saw you, bro. Oh, he's got TNT. He definitely saw you. Second run. Second run. Run the second. Throw the salt at him. Brah.
Moose,
Do you see
I'm
me?
not telling you, Moose. No, you didn't get me. You have to hit me. The bow's cheating. Go on.
I'm like a bird in the sky, but not really. That's the hint that I'll give you.
Whereabouts, Moose? Are you in the? Are you on the roof? Dude, Jeff, you flew over to me. Stop cheating, dude. There is
talking about
no
on
way
the
you could
roof.
have caught me up.
I'm not on any roof. What are you talking
Jeff
about?
is cheating, Moose. He's using game mode to catch up to me.
Jeff, I'm somewhere outside. That's the only hint I'll give you. I am somewhere
And
outside.
I'm on fire, and I'm dead because Jeff uses cheats.
Jeff, stop cheating, man. I know you
Dude,
have a problem.
He's hurt my feelings, bro. I don't know if I can continue with this.
Jeff, no. Put the TNT away, Jeff. Jeff,
Jeff?
stop with the TNT. You're cheating. Jeff, you can't.
Jeff,
No. Leave the TNT.
don't do
And
this.
he does it anyways. He's worse than me. And then he gets mad at me for blowing up the daycare. I thought this time it would have been a clean daycare, but no. Add some TNT into it. Break the map. Where you at, Cal? I'm somewhere super close. I'm looking at you, dude.
Low-key, dude, I see you. Like, look up, Moose. Look up. Bro, wait. Oh no, I can't show myself.
This dude's legally blind, straight up.
Bro, he's not ready.
Cyclone, get on the ground. Crouch and get on the ground, Cyclone.
Bro,
click C.
I'm on the ground.
Hold shift and click C.
I'm good. I'll hold shift.
And C! Hold shift and C.
I can't do
it.
He doesn't work for me!
How does he not see us still? Is this guy blind?
He's not very clever.
Guys, yo, camouflage in here, bro. Alright, we gotta get out of here, man.
No, Moose! Oh, be careful you don't hit me.
I think he heard us. He's blowing up the whole map. He's still nowhere near us, by the way. We're like right. I'm still looking at him right now. Oh, Jeff's looking forward, and I was looking at me.
That.
What a noob.
Hashtag
Jeff's a noob. Comment down below, bro. Yeah, look at this dude over here. Look at this dude. Okay, let's go.
Wait, I can't go yet. Moose, wait. I have an idea. Oh. Or about how you do. Jeff, no, we gotta go. By the way, I lied. He didn't see us. That was yeah.
Oh, okay. I got really into it, then.
Let's look from up here. Jeff, come into the daycare, dude. Jeff, come into the daycare.
Oh, snap.
Oh, dude, where are you going, Jeff? Where are you going over the slides for? Dude, you don't need to go near the slides. Oh, you just passed the portal. Moose, what if we go into the nether? Will we escape him?
I think that's how it works, man. We might get chucked in there forever, dude.
No, we won't. No. Whereabouts is he, dude? Do you think he's salty right now? Oh no, I think I just saw him.
He's salty. Let's go.
Dude, I think I just saw him upstairs.
Yo, come here. Phil on TV.
I don't know where you're. Oh, that's TNT.
Oh, I'm in the nether! Yes!
You're in the nether? Yes! We're
Hey, what's up, bro? How you doing, man? I'm just... No! You'll never take me alive! Now you're by MooseCraft! No! Alright, guys, I'll see you another day. Take care! Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Slap the bell. And I'm out of here! Woo!